How good does this look? Oh my god. Alright, let's open it. Alright, I'm super excited to try this out, so let's get right into the look now. Okay, so the first shade I'm going in with is Cut. I've always been a huge lover of the Tarte eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadows. They smell really good and they apply really good as well. So I'm putting Cut all over the lid and buffing it into the crease. Alright, now going in with the shade Tone Up, I'm just going to focus that for now on the outer part of the eye and into the crease. And I'm going in now with a bit of a smaller brush, just to be a bit more precise. These shadows are blending so nicely. Alright, going in with the shade Reps. Now I'm really just going to try and focus that on the very outer corner of my eye. And then just blend that. I really can't wait to try different eye looks. Try and make some glam ones. Some even quicker everyday ones that you could just, you know, slap on your eye and go. Yeah, I can't wait. Alright, so this is how we're looking so far. I'm just going to keep this a matte eye, and going back in with Cut, I'm just going to pack that on the inner corner of the eye to really blend in the shades and meet them up in the middle here. And that's how we are looking now. Going in with Tone Up, I am just going to pop that along my bottom lash line. And smoke it out. For that inner corner glow, I'm going to use Flex. I really love the name of this highlighter. And using the excess, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone as well. And that is the eyeshadow look so far. Okay, and now I'm going to use a white cream gel liner on the waterline. Now you can, if you want to, just put on lashes and go out the door, or you can do what I'm going to do and line the top lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to test out the Man Eater mascara. This is my first time actually using this mascara. Tarte do have one of my all-time favorite mascaras, so I'm excited to try this one out. Oh, this is good. I really like this a lot. Look how long it makes my lashes look. Okay, this could be one of my new favorite mascaras. I'm being serious. This is really good. I love how it applies on the bottom lashes too. It's not clumpy or anything. It's really great. Alright, so this is the difference with and without the mascara. It's crazy. So good. Really love this. Okay, so this is the look with just mascara on. You can run out the door, and in everyday life, this is exactly what I do. I just do this, I'm out the door, I'm done. But today I will put false lashes on just to take it to the next level so you can see it. But yeah, normally I just leave it like this and I'm done, because the mascara looks really, really great. I love it, I really do. But first I want to use the lipstick before I put the lashes on so you can see the everyday sort of look. So I'm going to line my lips first. I do line my lips every single day. It just helps to make my lips look bigger. This is the XO Beauty lip pencil in Mari. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Bare Bud, the lipstick. Oh, I'm going to love this. This is right up my alley. I just know it's going to be the best. Oh my gosh, it's like peppermint. It is so soft, so buttery, exactly what it describes. It feels fresh, I think, because of the peppermint smell. I really, really, really love it. This is like my perfect everyday nude that I would use. It's like my lips but better sort of colour. I am obsessed with everything in this collection. Oh wait, I have to do the cheek and highlight. Oh my gosh, I nearly forgot. That was a close one. I can't believe I nearly forgot that. Going in with Sweat, the beautiful blush. Oh wow, that's pigmented. Smells so good. Okay, that's way more pigmented than I was expecting. Okay, that is the blush. Absolutely stunning color. Okay, now my favorite part of my entire life, applying highlight. This is the shade Flex. Okay, so it's buildable, which is really nice. It's not too crazy intense at all, which is beautiful. It does look really natural. And as you can see, it's building up to be quite intense now, which is really good. Oh my god, my skin just sort of looks wet, sort of thing. Can you see that? Like I worked out today. Perfect. Yeah, I really love this. So it can be really natural if you want it to, or builds it all the way up to be really nice and blinding. It doesn't seem, I don't think it's like glittery. It's just sort of like a nice sheen. Alright, now I'm just going to put this everywhere. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I love it. Thank you, Whitney. Okay, so I'm going to apply false lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's still drying, but I want to give you my final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts for this whole collab is incredible. It's perfect for every single day. It is good for on the go, exactly how she described it in her video. I have nothing negative to say about it at all. I love it. I'm so glad that I picked it up. I'm so happy for Whitney as well, and I cannot wait to create more looks with this, especially a glam one. So that'll be the next one. Keep an eye out for that. I'm really excited to do a glam one using these other two shades that I haven't used yet, Cardio and Trainer. I really think I found some of my new favorite products, especially the lip, the mascara. I cannot wait to try more. It's really hard to find a good mascara for me, and that I love. I love the Man Eater mascara. I've never used it before. Very happy. The lipstick I will use every single day without a doubt, and this is just beautiful, and I love the packaging. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my first impression review. Be ready for the glam look and other different looks using this palette, because I can't wait to try it out more. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thumb this video up and subscribe if you want to, and yeah, bye guys, thank you.